And the flooding situation in Assam has worsened, affecting over 6.44 lakh people across 19 districts. With at least 8 rivers, including the Brahmaputra, flowing above the danger mark, the state's crisis has deepened. Multiple agencies, including the NDRF, the SDRF, the Army and the Air Force, are conducting rescue operations. Tragically, 9 SDRF personnel have been swept away, but were later rescued in a joint effort. The death toll due to flooding, storms and landslides this year has reached 45. Lakhimpur remains the worst hit district, with over 1 lakh people affected. Over 8,142 displaced residents are currently taking refuge in 72 relief camps. Yesterday, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma highlighted that Assam's flood situation has turned critical following heavy rainfall in neighbouring Arunachal Pradesh. He mentioned that Prime Minister Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah have assured full support to tackle the crisis.
काल रात से हरदम पानी बढ़ रहा है, रास्ता घाट आदमी का घर द्वार सब पानी उठ रहा है, आदमी का बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है।
तो यहाँ पर लगभग बहुत सारे गांव हैं।
हाँ, बहुत गांव है।
तो बहुत सारे लोगों के घर में।
हाँ, बहुत घर लोगों का पानी हो रहा है।
तो हर साल यहाँ पर फ्लड होते हैं।
हाँ, हर साल फ्लड होता है।
तो लोगों को तकलीफ का
तो बहुत तकलीफ।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.